Alright guys, so I'm going to start by talking about the other problem that was like this. Because it's the same process each time, okay? So on this one, you guys said, oh, we'll multiply by 6, which is just 3 times 2. And you do that so we can see easily what cancels. So let's just try this real quick. Here, if you multiply this by 3 times 2, the 3's will cancel. 2x squared. Okay. This one, 3 times 2, 2's cancel. 3x. This one, 3 times 2, 3's cancel. You're left with 2. And that's just 0. Okay? And then you rewrote it, and now you just solve the quadratic however you want. So let's apply that here. Same exact thing. What do you have in the denominators? We'll have an x, and an x minus 1. Okay? So let's multiply everything by an x and an x minus 1. So I'll write it up here. Oops. And then same thing here. X minus 1. Okay, so same thing here. The way I've written this, it's a lot easier to see that right here, this x cancels with that x. I have left x minus 1 times x minus 3 plus 2. Okay, the x minus 1's cancel. I'm left with 2x equals here. X cancels with x. I'm left with 5 minus x, x minus 1. And a lot of you were kind of like freaking out about this, but I mean, this is just another quadratic. We just got to make it look that way. We got a FOIL over here. X squared minus 3x minus 1x. Okay, plus 2x equals FOIL over here. I'm going to get, let's see, 5x minus 5 minus x squared plus an x. Okay, I got a lot going on here. Let's make it look even easier though. Let's add this x squared to this side over here. Okay, so I have 2x squareds. Let's see, let's subtract this x over here. And also combine, so now I've got negative 4x plus 2 minus 1. That's negative 4 plus 2 is negative 2 minus 1 is negative 3x. Oh, and I forgot this 5x right here, so let's subtract that 5x over here. So it's 2x squared minus 8x. I'm going to get rid of all those since I add them up. Finally, plus 5, 3 and 5 make 8. Alright, and from here you can do box and diamond, you can do quadratic formula. You do whatever you want to actually go ahead and solve it out. Let's go ahead and solve it real quick just to see what happens. 2x squared, 8, multiply those, get 16x squared. And again, you could do quadratic formula too. I'm just going to try factoring first. Negative 8x, multiply the top out of the bottom, negative 4x, negative 4x. Yep, okay. That's a 4. This is a 2x. This would be a 2x. And this would be 4. Oh, wait, that's not right. That would be a 2. And in fact, that's a negative, and that's a negative. Because negative 2 times 2x is negative 4x, negative 2 times negative 4 is positive 8, negative 4 times 2x is, oh, no, that's an error right there. So what have I missed here? So this needs to be, oh, there it is. That's just an x. There we go. Now it works out right. 2x times x is 2x squared. 2x times negative 4 is negative 4x. Negative 4 times x is negative 4x. And negative 4 times negative 2 is 8. Great. So my answer, 2x minus 4. And then technically, the actual answers then are x minus 2 equals 0. So x equals 2. 2x minus 4 equals 0. 2x equals 4. X equals 2. which is just x equals 2. Cool. Well, that was simple. Okay. Yeah, so, and all that came out from this problem up here, right? We just got to rewrite it using the same process we did up on this problem.